outside, man. We're about to head to Florida. It's been a long night and rough morning. Been all the way up to 4 in the morning so Mari can get a truck so he can tow his 335. I woke up at 6 in the morning to come to U-Haul. It's like 8 o'clock now after Mari finally got up here. We're loading up the 335. We're about to head to Florida. We're gonna link up with Hakeem. I'm gonna pop up his @ right here for everyone who doesn't know. He has a built motor F80. It's about to be a good weekend. After finally convincing Mari to come, being a long night, we got him out here. We're gonna bring the M54 and see what we can get into.
Watch your step. I just fucking feel it's not good. How you expect me to do it? Race the twin turbo Mustang right now.
Ooh, watch your step, bro.
Watch your step. Watch your step. Who's that? Me. You just threw up? Yes. You didn't step on it. You didn't step on it.
No way. You just threw up.
Yeah. Why?
Touchdown in Mexico, everyone. Yeah, like I was saying, the police just showed up to that spot, everyone. Unfortunately, we had to leave earlier than expected, but there is a lot of nice cars out here, a lot of fast cars. Trying to lock in a run for Mari. Gonna try to link up with him right now. Woo! Push that 328! Only if we had the M55 down here, man. Meetup spot number 2 leaving. Jesus Christ, the police are hot down here this year for FL2K. But I will pop up the video on the screen right now. It isn't the best video. I know I've seen him in Finding Nick's video before. It has one of the craziest sounding Z's I've ever heard, 370Z. I'll put the video right now on the screen. One of the craziest sounding Z's I've ever heard. Mari caught a run-in with him. Get that much room, but Mari was pulling on him. Top end, you can see the Z was coming a little bit, but it was a good run. Hopefully we can catch some more at this next little meetup spot.
He wants to race you. He got a car.
How did this go? But run that super.
So run that super. He'll be ready tomorrow. But they're trying to get M3 slower.
Yeah.
So they run it. No. I'm trying to give you my money. No. How can you not run the super? He's faster. Because he's faster. He's slower.
Do M3.
He's slower. Okay, the M3.
You already said, so come on, the M3 with it.
Oye, coño, el carro! Hey, no race with the car, that's it! Cancel! Everybody! No M3, nobody! Cancel! Cancel!
Come on! Bring that bitch at a 50! Shut the fuck up, my nigga! Shut the fuck up! Bring that bitch a car in the head! Come on! 50 160!
How much? Where's more?
Yeah, nigga!
Okay, how much?
Car in the head! Bring your money and that's it! Come on!
locked in. Hakeem will run everyone. It is this M4 right here. I'm pretty sure it is on an upgraded turbo. It might be a single turbo, but it is full weight. And he is complaining about Hakeem being gutted, asking that Hakeem puts in more passengers or give him a car and a hit, but we are definitely not doing that. Hakeem said he will give him the heads up, but we will not give him a car. Hopefully they can lock in a race and go get something done. As I just showed in the video right there before, you can see 12 is posted in the corner and watching everyone as they leave, making calls. Over 10 police on the interstate. Everyone says it is getting very hot. We're gonna see y'all in Mexico when we get this running.
Then you don't fucking rich. You don't case. You that's a common sense. Why? That's common sense. Why would I give you a race if I know I'm gonna beat you again? Then do it. Do it for 1,000. Do it. Do it for 1,000. You're pussy. That's pussy. Do it. Hey, no. You don't want me. How are you not gonna win a race when you're gonna say you're gonna beat me again?
That's it. No race, nothing happened. Period. You got your money back. You got your money.
Just go. Just
go. Yeah, sure. We don't know where we are. Don't you still race.
Just remember.
Watch.
He hesitates.
See?
Look, you see it right here.
The car doesn't even move. He doesn't go.
The only real, I mean, technically the only real race was the second race. But the second race, he got him. He got out on him.
What are you talking about? I let off.
Yeah, me too. Because I wasn't listening to the cars.
Are you fucking stupid?
I was right behind you.
Yeah, I'm retarded. I'm retarded.
I feel like I'm Kodak Black in 2015. In the